Check out this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Pro. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 1SA, 3.42 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 17x8 silver painted steel, wheels, 17x8 bright silver painted aluminum, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, vinyl seat trim, heavy-duty suspension and radio, GMC infotainment audio system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.